our next problem. Again, more derivative practice. And this time it looks like we have the quotient rule. So f prime of x is going to be the bottom times the derivative of the top, and the derivative of e to the stuff is going to be stuff prime times e to the stuff. So there's the bottom derivative of the top, and then we're going to do minus top, so e to the 2x, times the derivative of the bottom, and this is all over bottom squared. Okay, and so let's see, what else can we do with this? Looks like we've got some simplifying. I'm looking over at my answer choices, and so it looks like I've got another step or two in our simplifying. Now this 2 here and this 2 here, that's going to be 4x e to the 2x minus 2e to the 2x, and that's all over 4x squared. Now be careful, because a lot of times people want to cancel the 4's, and you can't do that. What you can do though is notice that every one of these numbers that I'm circling, they all have a 2 in common, and that's what you need to cancel. So when we cancel that, we're going to have 2x e to the 2x minus e to the 2x all over 2x squared. And again, notice we've got our denominator 2x squared, so we can cancel out those two. And then looking at our answer choices, it looks like they factored out an e to the 2x. And if I do that, then I'm going to have a 2x minus 1 left. So that's going to be answer choice C.